I don't work out 5 days a week. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just keeping it real. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I have a home, I run a business, and I'm not making excuses. It's just that there are 24 hours in a day and I like to sleep, so. What is going on, Cocoa Puffs? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek little preview of the September workout schedule, give you an update on the booty program, and just kind of talk to you guys. On the September workout schedule, Mondays are our lower body day, the most important day. Tuesdays, we're going to work on the abs and the waist. That's also obviously a very important day, but you know, priorities. On Wednesday, we're going to have our fat burning day. Thursdays are going to be our upper body days, and Fridays will either be fat burning or full body again, and then we rest on the weekends. Even though there's a workout for you every day, you don't have to do every single workout every day. You just have to do what works for you. I don't work out 5 days a week. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just keeping it real. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I have a home, I run a business, and I'm not making excuses. It's just that there are 24 hours in a day and I like to sleep, so. Now, about the booty program, it is coming in September. All the workouts have been filmed and it will be releasing toward the end of this month. All the workouts in the booty program can be done with body weight, even though I recommend you use some equipment if you can get your hands on some. So that's all I wanted to say in this video. I have some other things on my mind that I'm kind of thinking about. Maybe I should do a giveaway, but I don't want to make any promises. I always want to make sure that I'm sure before I say anything. So just stay tuned, keep doing your workouts. If you cannot afford to join my website just yet, don't worry about it. I still love you. I still love you, and I'm still posting free workouts here on YouTube for you guys because, like I said, I know many of you are students, many of you are young, and I know what it's like to be eating ramen noodles every day. So I understand. I feel you. I get you. I'm here for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to join the September workout schedule, I can't believe I forgot to say that. If you want to join the September workout schedule, click the link below. Use the code COCOPUFF to get a nice little surprise when you're checking out. And hopefully I'll see you at my website. Bye, guys.